So I've always been a fan of Triplett. This is my model 630 that I just love. And it is a beautiful high precision meter back from the day. And I still use it because it's just a great analog meter. High sensitivity and stuff, 60 microamps scale and stuff. And this one I just love because it's from Lawrence Livermore Laboratories, the Atomic Energy Commission. So this one was used to design bombs. Anyway, I love this meter, and I love Triplett. I've had several of these 310 meters. I don't know, it's like its little baby brother. I've owned at least 2 of these now. I had one for a very long time, and yeah, the meter's kind of stuck on this one. I sold it, and then I really hated that I sold it. So I found this one for 10 bucks once, and I bought it. Not that I use it all that much, and like I said, the meter's kind of wonky on it. I guess I need to fix it up. It's been laying in a drawer for a long time. Anyway, this one has the sealed switch on it, which is nice. My other one had the open switch on it. There's also an FET version of this for high impedance input and stuff. This one's 20,000 ohms. Anyway. So I like Triplett, the brand Triplett. These are both very high quality instruments. Well, I was on eBay the other day, not eBay, Amazon. I was on Amazon the other day, and Amazon, you know how Amazon's always recommending you buy things. Well, Amazon actually hit the nail on the head. They recommended this to me. They said, look at this. Ooh, if you're interested in multimeters, you should buy this one. And it's Triplett. Now, normally I would say, oh geez, I can't afford a Triplett meter. I've got other meters and stuff, and I don't need another one. And this one looked like I had a fancy display in it and everything. And then I noticed the price. It was $21. $21. So then I thought, okay, well, has Triplett finally sold out? Is this just a cheap, bad meter, like every other Chinese meter? And or, you know, has Triplett somehow, you know, entered the game and, you know, make a nice neat meter and stuff. And so it's only a 4,000 count meter. So yeah, okay, it's not a great meter, but like I said, you know, all of these meters are just based off of one IC, so you're going to be the same as everybody else. I was really interested in getting this since it's $21, so I bought it. And I'm really interested in the display because it says it's an enhanced black twisted pneumatic display, and so I think it glows all the time, which would be really nice. Now the thing that really caught my eye was it only has 4 positions: volts, ohms, well 5 volts, ohms, temperature. And it has a AC detection and what are those called? Non-contact voltage, the NCV, and off. Okay, and it only has 2 places to put your leads, so there's no amps. Can't measure amps with this thing. But the thing that really caught my eye was the second position. Instead of being ohms and you have to hit the function key to get to continuity, this one is continuity from the get-go. Now, I don't know about you, but my multimeter, I'm sure it gets used on continuity 10 times more than it gets used on ohms. And so, yeah, why not put continuity right on the front? And they did that on this, and I haven't seen that on any other meter. So, yeah, let's open this thing up and see how bad it is. Or see how good it is. I don't know. I'm hoping Triplett. Let's see here. All right, are the cords any different? They're typical. They're not bad, but they're not great. It's got the little protecty things on it. Hate those. Yeah, it's not bad. These aren't bad. And it has the little condoms on them. Yeah, these are just standard stuff. Standard stuff. And it comes with the standard temperature probe that I think everything comes with. So yeah, it looks like a Chinese meter, right? It's got a little protective thing on it here. Let's rip that off. All right, uses triple A's. Has a brass insert for the screw. Sign of high quality. It says Intertech. I don't know what that means. Got a lot of markings on it and stuff. So it does not have a full down thing for it. All right, on. Oh, there we go. Look at that display. It's a beauty. Yeah, it's glowing all the time. Okay, so it's either going to win my heart or I'm going to be very, very disappointed. Let's see how it does on continuity. This is my make or break, whether I want a meter or not. It has to have good continuity, otherwise I chuck it. It's just not going to be used. Let's check this one out. I'd say it's medium quality. Now, it might be the probes. Let's try some gold probes. Okay. We try some gold probes, because sometimes it's just the probes and not the meter. So let's say we went and bought $25 probes for our $21 meter. It could happen. It's been known to happen. Yeah, it's probes. So these are gold-plated Probe Master probes. And okay, so if Kaiwheat is watching this, this is how your meter's supposed to operate. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to keep it. And it's I don't have to push any buttons to get to it. Now I can push a button to get to ohms, which is great. That's exactly what I want. I love it. Okay, let's measure some volts with it and see how it does. All right, I've turned off the room light so we can see it better. We're measuring. This is good. Let's see here. Let's change some numbers here. Looking good. Change the range. 10 volts. A little bit slow. A little bit slow, but nails the number. Yeah, 102. So 0.2%. 0.2%. Looking pretty good. And let's see how it does on millivolts. Let's change over to millivolts. 100 millivolts. Looks good. 10 millivolts. Looks good. So, like I said, it's a 4,000 count, no millivolts, and no amps. And yeah, so I think for a pocket meter or a desk meter to throw in your desk drawer and stuff, this is going to be just awesome. I love the display. Really, really nice display. Works good. We'll measure some ohms on it, make sure it can do ohms okay. Yeah, let's set that up. All right, 100 ohms, 1,000 ohms, 10,000, 100,000, 1 mega ohm. Perfect. How about low ohms? Let's see here, 10 ohms, 1%, 40 ohms, just has an offset. 0 ohms is 0, that's good. 1 ohm, 1 ohm, look at that. 4 ohms, 4 ohms. Oh, I like this meter. This is a cool meter. All right, $21. $21. All right, let's take a look at the build quality of this thing. I'm just amazed so far. The switch feels really good. The buttons feel very solid. They don't feel real wishy-washy, rubbery buttons. They feel pretty firm. It doesn't have a rubber. It just has this plastic. But it seems like a super tough plastic. It doesn't seem cheap. Definitely when you pick this thing up, it does not feel cheap. So yeah, I'm impressed. I think this is my next little hand meter. Yeah. 21 bucks, jeez. Look at that display. I love that display. Oh yeah. Okay, anyway, I recommend it. I don't think you can go wrong on this one, other than if you need to measure current. But, what does it say here? Cat 3, 600 volts, okay. Interesting.